Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Klaviyo SMS automations with AI generated offers step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Flows tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Create Flow button. Select Create from Scratch to begin a new automation. Name your flow something descriptive to easily identify it later. In the Flow Builder, drag the trigger component onto the canvas. Choose SMS as the channel for your trigger. Set the trigger to activate based on specific customer actions, like abandoned carts or product views. Now, drag the Send SMS action onto the canvas. Click on the action to configure the message content. Incorporate personalized elements, like the customer's name or recent purchases. Next, you'll want to integrate AI-generated offers. Use an AI tool or platform to generate compelling offers based on customer behavior. Copy the generated offer and paste it into your SMS message. Make sure the offer is clear and has a strong call to action. Consider adding a sense of urgency to the offer to encourage quick responses. Next, add a delay to your flow to control how quickly the SMS is sent after the trigger. Drag a time delay component onto the canvas and set your preferred time frame. Now, create an evaluative condition to segment your audience based on their responses. This allows you to tailor follow-up messages based on whether they engaged with the initial SMS. Drag the conditional split component onto the canvas. Set criteria based on customer engagement, such as clicks or replies. Now, configure follow-up SMS messages for both segments. Make sure to keep the tone consistent and aligned with your brand voice. Once all components are in place, review the entire flow for accuracy. Test your SMS automation using Klaviyo's preview functionality. Make adjustments based on the test results to optimize performance. Finally, click on the Publish button to activate your flow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.